Hey, this is Corey from Wolfpack Woodcraft, and today you're going to get a bonus video, and it's going to be the 5 questions that I get most often. Alright, I got them written down here. It's going to probably be a long video because you know how I love to ramble, but I got 5 questions here. We're going to answer them. And so the first question is, why Wolfpack? Well, it's pretty easy actually. I love wolves. I've loved wolves since I was a little kid. You know, I got wolves on my wall. I used to have a wolf necklace that I wore all the time. I've always enjoyed, I think they're beautiful for one, and for two, that pack mentality. I always think things are better together. You know, I always think that, I used to always say that too, from like my late teens to mid 20s. I used to always say that. I'd be like, it's all right, we'll get through it together. And I remember one occasion, I was at a party out in the middle of nowhere, because that's what we do. And this girl was driving us home, and she got lost, and she was freaking out. And I was all like, don't worry, we'll get through this together, you know. And she looked at me, and she's like, I don't know if you're being sarcastic or if you're trying to be mean, but it really makes me feel better when you say it, you know. It reassures me that I'm not alone. And I meant it. I really did mean it, you know. She was lost, we were lost, and we just drove. I was like, just pick a road and go, and as soon as we figure out where we are, we'll figure out where we need to go, you know, and everything's going to be okay. And that reassurance helped us find our way home. And I don't know about you guys, but I get lost in my own head a lot. You know, when I'm all by myself, I get worried about something, you know, and the answer's right there in front of me. But because I'm so worried about something that doesn't even exist, I can't see that answer. And so it's nice doing things as a pack. It's nice having that pack mentality so that when I start thinking about this, there's somebody to bring me back and say, hey, wait a minute, you know, you're fine, you know. And so when I started this channel, I really wanted to create a pack of like-minded people, and that's what I've wanted my whole life, is just a group, an organization that has that wolf mentality, that pack mentality where, you know, it doesn't matter what you're doing, where you're going, you'll always have somebody that's got your back. You'll always have somebody to ground you. You'll always have somebody to reassure you and remind you that everything's going to be okay. And so Wolfpack Woodcraft, that's where it came from. That's where it originated from. And that's what I'm sticking with. All right, so question number 2. Why do you care so much about comments? All right, well, I'll have a story for this one too. Okay, so if you watch What the Heck is Wolfpack Woodcraft, you kind of know my backstory. And if you don't, go check it out. It's one of my earlier videos, so the audio sucks and the visuals, it's not a good video, but it'll tell you my story. And so, in a nutshell, I didn't know nothing. I was getting in trouble. I was drinking. I turned my life around. I hit YouTube really hard, and I learned about bushcraft, woodcraft, camping, hiking, because it was something I was passionate about when I was younger, and I brought it back, and I learned almost everything. I have a bunch of books that I've learned too, but most of the knowledge that I got was from YouTube. And so when I started YouTube, I did the same thing. I turned to YouTube again to learn how to do this. You know, how to make videos, make them worth watching, make them what they are today. And I remember watching, it's a big YouTube channel. I'm not going to name names. I try never to. But it was a big channel, and I had a question, and it was a very beginner question that probably in his realm was the most general question ever. And I was like embarrassed to ask it. You know, I felt bad to ask the question that I didn't know the answer to, because I felt it was so common knowledge, and that I didn't want him to look at me like, what an idiot, you know, like he doesn't know that, like why is he even trying? And so, and I ended up not answering or asking it, and I had to search probably 20 times harder to find the answer. And I just don't want you guys to feel that way, you know? And then another example, I got a comment the other day that just nitpicked my video. And he wasn't being mean, he wasn't being, he had a lot more knowledge than I did on one of my videos, and he just kind of filled in the blanks and corrected my mistakes, and I appreciated it. That's awesome. That's how we learn. That's how we go from common knowledge to genius. You know, it's all them little things that fill in those blanks so that we can learn and grow together, right? And that's the purpose of this channel, is so that we can learn and grow together. The pack moves as a pack. And so when I think about that comment section, I don't want anybody to feel like they're going to ask a bad question or an embarrassing question, because I feel honored that you're turning to me to find those answers, right? When you ask, if you ask, why do you carry a knife, right? I'm not like, well, you don't know why we don't carry a knife, you know, like, you know, I feel honored, because what that means to me and what it should mean to everybody in this pack is that you've never done this before, but you're really excited to learn. You're really excited to get out there, and that's what it's all about. That's what everybody in this genre wants, okay? Whether it's hunting, fishing, camping, hiking, backpacking, bushcraft, woodcraft, whatever it is, we want people out there. We want people cherishing nature, because the more people we have that want to be out in nature and keeping it natural and preserved and everything, the longer all these things are going to exist. And so for you to ask a simple question like that, I don't look at it as, oh, here we go. I get excited. I get very excited, because like I said, you've never done it before. And now that you are coming in to the things that I love and that I'm passionate about, that excites me. I get amped up. I'm amped up right now thinking about it. And so ask away. All your questions, I would love to answer them. Plus them simple, like, why do I carry a stainless steel bottle compared to a plastic one? It gets me thinking. It reminds me. Because a lot of people, they just grab their kit. They just get in the habit of grabbing their kit, and they forget why they do the things that they do. And when you stop and you remember why my bottle is stainless steel and not plastic, it maybe changes me into thinking, well, I started carrying this, but maybe now I want titanium. Maybe titanium is the next step. And I would have never ever taken that next step because I never stopped to think about it. You know, I just always grab it. But once I stop and think, you know, it allows me to revisit it and maybe upgrade or change, you know, because the stainless steel is going to be reliable and durable and stuff. And so is the titanium, but the titanium is going to be lighter. You know, as I'm getting older, my kit hopefully gets lighter so that I'm not blowing out my back and I'm not hurting myself in my old age. I'm not that old, but, you know, one day, you know, and if you never think about it, you never upgrade, you never advance. So ask away and leave that knowledge in the comments too, because that's how we learn. I want to learn, you know, because the more I learn, the more I can put out, and the more I put out, the more you guys grow, the more you guys learn, and we can just all become efficient campers, efficient backpackers. We can all learn and grow together. That's what this is all about. So don't think that you're gonna annoy me or that, you know, I'm gonna be mad that you're correcting the crap out of me. No, this is what I know. I'm just a regular guy like you, and this is what I know, and I want to learn more. And so if you know a bunch about air mattresses, fill me in. I want to learn. And then I can share that knowledge with everybody. And then if somebody else knows a lot about wool blankets, they can fill me in. And so now I know about air mattresses and wool blankets, and I'm going to get even better sleep than I already get. You know, and that's what it's all about. It's all about communicating, sharing, growing, and that's the pack mentality, you know, spreading the knowledge to the whole pack so that we can learn and grow together, and then trying to spread that knowledge to the people we care about most. And that's what I try to get through to everybody in this channel. All right, so I think I covered that. Keep them comments coming. I want comments on every video. So leave your knowledge and your questions in that comment section. I say it at the end of every video, and I really mean it. Number 3, why I'm on YouTube. Because. No, because if I feel that it's my turn to give back, right? I got in my trouble. I did my childhood was my childhood. I turned to YouTube and I learned all that I could so that me and my son would have something to do with each other, you know, because drinking and partying isn't really socially acceptable for a newborn or a 4-year-old now. And so I turned to YouTube so that I could learn camping, so that's something that me and my son could share. And he loves camping. I love camping. My girlfriend, Caroline, she loves camping. And it's brought so much value to my life that I really feel it's time for me to turn the camera around and give back. I want you guys to be able to do the same thing. And also, the channels that I watched, you can see them on my main page, my YouTube page. On the right hand side, if you're on a computer, it has my favorite channels. They're all listed. But yeah, all those channels, that's where I learned most of my stuff. And then I got books. And you can check out the books. I got an Amazon store. You can go into that store, and I got a book section. And it's the books that I've read and learned. And so that, if you're curious, you can go there to see the books, and you can go to my home page to see the channels. And I owe my new life to YouTube. You know, instead of spending my money on alcohol, I spent it on camping gear. You know, and that camping gear has created a bond between me and my family that's just more than I could ever imagine. You know, like my son, me and him get along better than I think I've ever gotten along with anybody. And he loves me unconditionally, and we love camping. He loves going through my camping gear with me. We talk about it. He's excited to get back out there and sleep in a tent, and he's, you know, and I owe it all to YouTube, and so I'm bringing it back. You know, plus all those channels have way more successful than I can keep up with. You know, they started off with things that I could afford, you know, I could save up and get, and now they're all in a realm of their own. Like, the things that they get now, I would get shot. Caroline would kill me if I came home with the stuff that they're reviewing and talking about nowadays, just because that's the level that they're at now. You know, they built themselves to a level, and hopefully one day I get to build myself to a level, but I'm always going to try to remember to come back. And that's what's going to make me different than the other channels, I think, is the fact that I don't have the $1,000 knife budget. You know, and I know that a lot of people don't have that budget. And so my channel is going to be more you guys, the pack, right? Whatever we're talking about as a whole is where I'm going to be at. So as we advance, I'll advance. But when you guys, once you guys say, hey, I'm a common man, I got a really good job, but I can't bring home $1,000 knife. My girlfriend will kill me. I'll come back down to reality. It's still going to be fun if I could get there, but that's not where I'm going to stay. So that's what my goals are, and that's why I'm on YouTube. And so let's move on. This is going to be a super long video, but if you guys want the answers, you'll stick around. Did I spell your name right? No, you didn't. Let me grab a marker quick. All right, my name's Corey from Wolfpack Woodcraft. This is how you spell my name. K-O-R-Y. Everybody starts with a C. It's C-O-R-Y, C-O-R-E-Y. And then the ones that do have a K-O-R-I or C-O-R-I or K-O-R-Y. Corey from Wolfpack Woodcraft. Oh, that got sloppy. Wolfpack Woodcraft. Wolfpack is 2 words. Woodcraft is 1 word. That's me. All right, and then finally, when are you going to get a better hat? My hat has caused issues, I guess, because Nike isn't bushcraft or woodcraft or camping. And what I would like to do is I would like to get a hat with my logo on it. And if you don't know what my logo is, it's in the bottom, one of the bottom corners. It's teeny tiny. It's so you can subscribe to my channel. Or you can go to my main page and it's on there. But it's on every one of my thumbnails too. It's that wolf, and then it says Wolfpack Woodcraft underneath it. I want to get a black fitted hat with that logo and where the Nike is here. But they're expensive. I couldn't believe how expensive it was to get that hat. And so I'm saving up. I'm going to save up. I'm going to get a hat. I don't make any money doing this. I make nothing. So if you want to help support the channel, you can go to my main page, go to the Amazon store. If you're on a mobile, you'll have to go to About and then Amazon store, like About My Channel, and then the Amazon store will be on the bottom. And if you buy products, it helps support the channel. I get like 2% of whatever you buy. So, and it doesn't have to be what is in my store. I have a store. You can go to the top left and go Powered by Amazon, and then it'll take you to normal Amazon, and then you can buy whatever you want. You can buy an Xbox, you can buy clothes, you can buy whatever you buy on Amazon, you can buy, and I get the same percentage off those items as well, because my affiliate just means that I get you to go there so that they can try to hook you. And so if that's a way to support the channel, so if that's something you're into, it'll get me a new hat a lot sooner. But yeah, so those are the 5 things that I get asked the most often. And so yeah, so why Wolfpack Woodcraft? I love wolves and I like the pack mentality. Why do I care so much about comments? Because I think that's how we grow, learn, and unite as a pack. Why am I on YouTube? Because YouTube has taught me so much that it's my turn to give back and teach what I've learned. Do I spell your name right? No, it's K-O-R-Y. When are you going to get a better hat? As soon as I can afford it. So there, quick rundown, got them all covered. So my outro. Make sure to leave your knowledge and your questions in the comment section. Make sure to thumbs up and share these videos to share that knowledge to the people you care about most. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and come join the pack. I'll have a new video every Sunday and Thursday, and I can't wait to hear what you have to say on the next one. So make sure to leave them comments. Thanks, guys.